Hi. We've taken a hard look at the popular products available today. This product is one of the best rated product in the market today.
Introducing the UTALENT 8-speed power hand blender. Experience precise speed control with the 2-button soft turbo switch. And with the 8-speed dial, you can get the perfect mix each time. Salsa is now easier than ever to make. Just chop and blend. Make delicious homemade fruit and vegetable smoothies with the push of a button. Chopping a variety of nuts has been made easier with the UTALENT 8-speed power hand blender. Every blender comes with a BPA-free blending cup and chopper. Puree peaches for natural and healthy food for your baby. With the whisk attachment, scrambling eggs is a breeze. The 4 ultra-sharp rotary blades were designed for your toughest tasks. And for easier mixing in deep stovetop pots, simply attach the extender and stir at the press of a button. The milk frother can be used to create a nice foamy touch to your favorite cup of coffee. For easy and convenient storage, simply use the built-in rubber grommet. For a premium performance, get the UTALENT Kitchen Assistant today because you deserve it.
Let's see the features of this great product. And these are our editor ratings for this product.